Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your phone OS and carrier support because methods differ. Once verified, open the phone app and find the recent call or contact entry. Tap the info or details icon to reveal options and make sure the number you want to block is visible. If the number is unknown, copy it from call log. Starting here prevents wasted steps later, and it ensures you'll apply the correct blocking method for your device and plan. Once done with the contact screen, choose block or reject. On some phones, that's nested under more or settings. If you need bulk blocking, create a contact group and apply do not disturb filters to that group, which prevents ringing while allowing other calls. For persistent callers, enable carrier level blocking or install a reputable call blocking app and configure network filtering. These steps stop the call before it rings, avoiding a busy tone and reducing call attempts through network-level rejection. You finish by verifying the block. Ask a friend to call or use a second line to confirm the caller no longer connects. If the call still rings or you hear a busy tone, make sure app permissions and do not disturb exemptions are disabled and review carrier block lists. If calls bypass your settings, contact your carrier for network enforcement or escalate with app logs. This troubleshooting step resolves most failures and explains why some numbers require carrier-level intervention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.